This video is brought to you by Airtight.
Hi, I'm Eric Grant with Airtight. Today I'm demonstrating the YKK AquaGuard zipper. The AquaGuard zipper is a little bit different than regular zippers because it has a polyurethane coating on the outside surface, and that polyurethane coating makes the zipper almost virtually waterproof. Not quite waterproof, I'd call it water resistant. The closure system on the top side basically is similar to a Ziploc bag. It comes together and almost bonds perfectly. Now on the other side of the zipper, it is a coil zipper, very similar to a number 10 coil zipper or number 5 coil zipper. The YKK AquaGuard zipper has a reverse slider, meaning the puller is on the polyurethane side of the zipper. A standard number 10 or number 5 slider for a regular coil zipper has the slider on the side for the teeth. So you must use a reverse slider with a YKK AquaGuard zipper. Airtight stocks the YKK AquaGuard in a jacket style zipper, or what we call a finished zipper. A finished zipper, when you pull the slider all the way down to the box and the post, will separate completely, like in a jacket. To basically start the zipper, it's the same thing as a regular jacket. You line up the post with the slider and the box, and you zip it together. At the top of the finished zipper, there are stops that are put in by the factory. So that will stop the slider from coming off. We also carry a continuous length AquaGuard zipper in both a number 5 and a number 10 size. And as you look at the back side, these two have the polyurethane coating. If you order the continuous zipper from Airtight, you need to order the sliders to go with them. Remember, you must use a YKK AquaGuard reverse slider because the slider puller has to be on the polyurethane side of the zipper. Now there's one exception to the reverse slider rule for the AquaGuard zipper, and that is the use of a standard double pull slider. So let's discuss that a little bit. This is a standard double pull slider. It has pullers on both sides so you can open it from the inside or the outside. Say if you wanted to use the YKK AquaGuard zipper in an enclosure application. Amazing thing is that the double pull slider will work on an AquaGuard zipper. The fat end of the slider, if you look here, the end that has more room would obviously go towards the where the coil teeth are. So the fat side is down, teeth are down, and then we'll start it on the fat side of the slider. Push one side of the zipper teeth in, and the other side, match them up, and then zip the slider. So now we're using a standard double pull slider, number 10, on this number 10 YKK AquaGuard zipper.
You may want to consider sewing the water-resistant AquaGuard zipper with an anti-wick thread. A wax coating on the thread plugs stitch holes to help waterproof seams in canvas and vinyl applications. You can shorten the length of a finished AquaGuard zipper just by cutting off the end stops. Then all you need to do is install another stop. We're going to first show you how to install the YKK zipper coil metal top stop. We found that using needle nose pliers and holding the top stop as shown is the easiest way to install the stop on the end of the zipper. Press the two sharp prongs of the stop into the zipper flange, right behind the teeth. Then press the prongs through the flange and twist the pliers towards the flange to bury the prongs deep into the flange. Turn the zipper over and use the pliers again over the stop in the center to confirm that the stop is pressed all the way down. Then carefully bend all 3 prongs into the zipper's teeth until you are sure it is secure. This is how a metal top stop is installed on a finished or continuous link coil zipper. If you order a finished coil zipper, the manufacturer will have the stops already installed on the ends. But if you need to cut the finished zipper down in size and install new stops, this is how it's done. Another alternative to using metal top stops is to use a scrap, vinyl, or canvas, webbing, or binding, and cut a strip to size and fold it over the end of the zipper teeth. We use double-sided tape to hold the fabric in place. Then we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew it. This is another great way to make a zipper stop yourself. If you have an application where you need a water-resistant zipper, consider the YKK AquaGuard zipper. They're available from Airtight, and if you have questions, be sure to give us a call or email us.